So here we have 3 of the best-selling collagen products on the internet. We have microingredients collagen, we have Organifi collagen, and we have our Live Good collagen peptides. So which one is the best? Well, let's dive in. So let's start with how much you're spending per ounce of collagen. Microingredients is 16 ounces for $38.95. That's $2.43 per ounce. Not too bad. Live Good is 13.76 ounces for $27.95. $2.03 per ounce. A little bit better. Organifi is 10.79 ounces, the least amount compared to the 3, for $54.95. Over $5 an ounce, more than twice as expensive per ounce of collagen than all the other products out there. Let's compare cost per serving. Microingredients has 41 servings in this container, again for $38.95, making each serving 95 cents. Live Good is 30 servings at $27.95, making each serving a little bit less at just 93 cents. And Organifi, yet again, $54.95 for 30 servings, more than double at $1.83. So recognizing that microingredients actually has 11 more servings than these 2 products at 41, let's break it down by how much collagen you get per serving. Microingredients, 0.39 ounces. Live Good, 0.46 ounces, 18% more collagen per serving than micronutrients. And Organifi, 0.36 ounces per serving, 28% less than Live Good. So not only does Live Good have the most collagen per serving at the lowest price per serving than the other 3, but let's talk about what else you get in any of these products. So Organifi is just collagen. It's not a bad product, but for twice the price of these other 2 products, you can probably do better elsewhere. So we're gonna set this one aside. Microingredients has a few different kinds of collagen, but it doesn't have anything extra other than collagen. Again, not a bad product, not a bad price, selling very well online, but let's see how it compares to Live Good. This is Live Good's collagen peptides. Not only does it include the highest quality hydrolyzed collagens types 1 and 3, but it also includes 3 branded ingredients that don't exist together in any other collagen on the market, including Opre Flex, clinically proven to decrease joint pain by as much as 70% in just 6 months. Polynol, to reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, and support mobility and function. And Velocitol, to support your lean muscle mass, clinically proven to double the rate at which you build muscle and strengthens your connective tissue. No other collagen on the planet has all of those amazing ingredients at the lowest price, highest quality, every single day, just $27.95. Get yours today at livegood.com.